Okay, assignment 10. Assignment 10, we are going to look at 3D shapes. And we're just going to be looking at them. And we're just going to reiterate some of the stuff we've already done. It's kind of like looking at this from another perspective. So, when you're doing this, you're going to have a worksheet. And you're going to have to look, it's going to give you some shapes. You're going to have to match the label to the shape. In other words, if you have a shape like this in the picture, it's going to give you a choice of 4 or 5 shapes, and you're going to choose the one that matches that shape. In this case, it's a cone. It'll have a picture like this, and you're supposed to say what kind of shape it is. It's a rectangular prism, and so you're going to do that. It may have a shape like this, and this one happens to be a square pyramid. So you've got different things like that is what the first part of your assignment is. On the second worksheet, though, it's going to look at it a little bit different. Again, you're going to have, it'll list a solid. Maybe it'll say a cube. So here's a cube. And so you're going to identify it. Make sure you've got the right shape to match the right one. And one of the things I'm giving you to help you with this exercise, another hands-on learning tool, you won't turn these in, although I'd sure appreciate it if you took a picture of you doing it and sent it to me so I can see that you actually did this, or a picture of the items after you make them. You're going to cut them out, put them together, and then you can take pictures when you're all done so you can see what you have built here. And these will help you because each one is labeled, and you can then learn those solids a lot better because you're going to have that to work with. That'll be really nice, okay? And so then you're going to have to take whatever shape it is, and it's going to ask you something about the edges or the faces or the vertices, or it may even say what's the area of the base or what kind of base is it. So what would be your formula for that area? So you're going to look at this in a little more detail, just written up in a little bit different way than just giving you, here's the shape, here's the numbers, calculate. You're going to have to think about it in a little bit different way. But that's all this assignment is just building your understanding, building your facility with these 3D shapes. So that'll help you some.